Hey everybody! Today we are going to learn how to add an adjustment layer in Photoshop so you can edit colors and brightness without damaging your image. First, open your image in Photoshop. Look at the Layers panel on the right. At the bottom of the Layers panel, click the half-filled circle icon. This is the Adjustment Layer button. A menu appears with adjustment options. Choose the adjustment you need. For example, click Brightness and Contrast. Photoshop adds a new adjustment layer above your image. Now, use the Properties panel to adjust the sliders. This changes the image instantly. Why this matters? Your original image stays untouched. You can turn the adjustment on or off anytime. That's it. I hope this helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.